Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, let's not forget about the tips and tricks. Subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos and tap that bell so you'll always be notified. Let's get started right now. Thanks for stopping by my kitchen. Today we're doing an inspired remake on spicy chicken sandwich. Yes. Okay guys, this is my marinated chicken breast. Yes, it's actually been marinating overnight. And I've marinated it in lime juice, olive oil, brown sugar, smoked sea salt, chipotle pepper salt, black pepper, coriander, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, and cumin. Yes, it's been marinating in my refrigerator overnight. So now guys, we are ready to bread this chicken and get it fried. I have about a cup of flour right here, and to it I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Yes, we want this to be nice, fluffy, soft, and crunchy. So you just want to mix the baking powder together with the flour. Just make sure it's well incorporated. And then guys, we're going to also make a batter to go along with this. Normally, I would just go ahead and put all my chicken in the flour, but I'm going to do this step by step for you guys. Now, we're going to put a couple of tablespoons of mayo in this bowl. And to it, guys, we're going to add some water. Now, you want to put in the water a little bit at a time, and you're stirring it until the mayo and water become smooth. It's going to be the base for our batter. You can always add more water, but it's really hard to take it out. So let's just add a little bit at a time and just keep stirring until it's nice and smooth. You want it to be relatively thick, but you still want it to be smooth. So you just keep stirring and stirring and stirring. It doesn't take long, and you just add maybe a spoonful of water at a time. I think we've just about got it. So I'll just mix it up, make sure it's nice and smooth in the end, and then we can dip our floured chicken into it and then back in the flour again. Okay guys, we have got this. See, it's nice and runny. We've got this just about ready to go. All right. So let's take this piece of chicken that I've already floured. Then we're going to dip it into the mayo base. Move everything around so you guys can see really well. Okay, you can shake off any excess flour, dip it in the mayo on both sides, make sure it's well coated, and then back into the flour again. Make sure it's well coated a second time with the flour. Then we're going to put it on this little platter right here, and after we get it all battered, all of our chicken done, we're going to put it in the freezer, guys, for maybe about 10 minutes. We just want the breading to set so that it won't fall off and it will turn out nice and crispy in our frying pan. Yes. So coat each piece of chicken first in the flour, then dip it in your mayo base, and then back into the flour again. All right. Yes, guys. And this chicken is going to probably make about 4 or 5 sandwiches when I'm done, guys. Okay, we've got a few more pieces here. We just, again, put it in the flour, dip it into the mayo base, then make sure you get the excess off, back into the flour again. All right, we're going to get these other two pieces done right quick. And then guys, we're going to put this chicken in the freezer for maybe about 10 minutes. Don't leave it there too long. We don't want the chicken to start freezing. And we're going to go over and we're going to get our nice buttery toasted buns done. Yes. Okay, these are the last couple of pieces of chicken I have here. So let me get these all battered up and on the platter too, so it can all go in the freezer. Yes, 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 yes. Homemade chicken sandwich. The best you can find, guys. This is delicious. Yes, I'm loving this. Okay, guys, they are all battered and ready to go in the freezer. Yes. Now we have our skillet warmed up, and we're going to add about 2-3 tablespoons of butter to it. Let that melt, and we'll add our buns in so that we can have nice toasted buttery buns. Love that, guys. Okay, we have the butter all melted now, and I have my skillet on medium. It's not too high because we don't want the buns to cook too fast and burn. They're very delicate. So you just put them cut side down and let them toast. It only takes maybe 2 or 3 minutes for them to get good and toasted. Okay, and I like to kind of take my spatula, guys, and just press down a little bit. That makes sure that they are all down in the skillet and getting toasted. So I think we can pretty much take them out now. Yes, look at that, guys, golden brown and buttery. Ooh, I cannot wait. Yes, love that, love that. Okay, they are all good and toasted. We're just going to get the rest of these out of here. And guys, now I've put more oil in my skillet. The chicken is out of the freezer. And now we're just going to fry it up. We're going to put each piece in here, lay it in there carefully because the oil is very hot. As you can see, it's bubbling up as I put the chicken in. Yeah, so we're going to put all this chicken in the skillet, and we're not going to move it until it's pretty much golden brown on the other side. That will ensure it is nice and crispy because this is boneless and skinless, guys. So you don't have that skin that would normally crisp up. This is boneless and skinless. Okay, guys. So we're ready to turn them over. They are nice and golden brown on the first side. Look at that, guys. Ooh, looking good. Yes. Okay. We are going to get them all turned over one by one. Then we're going to let them cook on that side. And then, guys, probably you'll turn them a couple of more times, and then they will be ready to come out. Yes. So I'm just going to get these turned over now. Okay, so that side is golden brown. So now we're going to turn them over again and take them out because they are deliciously looking and they are cooked through. The juices are running clear and we are done. Yes, see guys, it didn't even take long. Awesome. Yes, get these out of the skillet, turn the skillet off. And after we get them all out, guys, we are going to go over to the counter and build our chicken sandwich. Yes, the best homemade chicken sandwich. All right, guys, let's get this sandwich built. But first, take a look. Isn't that good? Yes, nice and golden brown. And wasn't that simple, quick, and easy? Okay, guys, I have some spicy mayo here that I have made. And I'm going to just use that as my sauce on my bun. Because of all the seasonings we had in the chicken, it's nice and spicy. And then I'm adding spicy mayo. Now, guys, I'm just going to add some iceberg lettuce down here. Nothing fancy, just put it down. I I'm adding a piece of provolone cheese. This is smoked provolone cheese, guys. It's delicious on chicken sandwich. Look at that golden piece of chicken. Nice and plump and juicy. Yes, now let me get my pickles out of this jar because we've got to add the pickles, guys. We've got to add the pickles. Okay, guys, now I'm going to put also on my sandwich a couple of pieces of onions. You can always skip this step if you don't like onions, and yes, they are raw. And now for my pickles. Yummy. That's it, guys. Top it with the bun. And we are all done with our chicken sandwich. Yes, doesn't that look good? Nice and thick and juicy. Yum. I'm Chef Pam. This is Chef and More. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that you'll always get my videos and all my updates. And I'll see you next time.